In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can increase the graphics quality on Roblox. So this is very helpful and easy. It will only take a few seconds. Just click the Roblox menu, open it and go to settings. Once you are here, scroll down and you will see graphics mode and graphics quality. So you can change the graphics mode to manual or automatic. This will set an automatic graphics quality depending on your device or how good your computer is, or you can change it to manual. So you can set if you want high quality or low quality or however you want. But it's important to know that if you set too high quality and your device is not that good, you might experience some lag and your game will look slower. So what I recommend you to do is that if your game starts lagging, just go to the graphics and lower it until you see everything smoothly and with good quality. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.